The problem is, fairy tales don't come.
Is this a bit late?
It's the other stories, the ones that begin with dark and stormy nights and end in the unspeakable.
Yeah.
It's the nightmares that always seem to become reality.
Or maybe not.
So hey guys, back again with another video, and this is my lovely sister. We're gonna be doing a wash and go. Yeah. A wash and go on the half of her head. So I already sectioned it off. So we're gonna do wash and go hair, and then we're gonna do a braid style in the front. And let's get into the video. So these are the products and the tools that I'll be using throughout the video. And these I'll be using just to style. So from the night before I washed her hair. We put some leave-in conditioner in it, and I did put some hair growth oil on her scalp because her scalp was really dry. I also went in with my jojoba oil and just put some on her hair, just so that it's not too dry. And then I'm going to go in with my Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink and put that on her hair. And I'm just going to re-wet it so that the wash and go does come out really good. I'm also going to use the Denman Brush to help with her curls form. I also went ahead and started to finger coil some of the pieces of hair that weren't really curling as good. And I did the prayer hand method on some of her hair where I felt like her curls can be clumped together. I'm pretty much doing the same process throughout her whole head, wetting the section, adding a little oil, and then going in with the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink, and either raking the product through her hair, using the shingle method if I need to, or the prayer hands, and then I finger coil on some of the sections that are not really curling on its own. And this is also the first time she has ever done a wash and go on her hair, so we're just testing this out to see how it comes out on her type of hair. She was really nervous as to how it's going to come up because her hair has like 3 different type of lengths in it. Her curls are very different from the back to the front of her hair. Also, she said she doesn't really like the wash and goes on her hair because her hair is short. But I think it was good. as you guys can see right here, we decided not to go with the braid style in the front. We just decided to put it up into a ponytail because her hair was like thinner in the front and it's more shorter, so we just decided to do it as a ponytail up there and then just finger coil the rest of it. So here I'm just detangling the top half, re-wetting it, and just adding some more of the Don't Shrink and finger coiling the top of her hair. So guys, this is the next day. Her hair is fully dried. And now we're going to go in with stretching her hair. So stretching her hair, I just use a blow dryer and I just pull on the ends and literally just blow dry the root of her hair. And then after blow drying, I just go in with the pick, make it look more full, and that is it. So that is the finished look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll be back with more. Peace.